Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. And Cancer, Cancer, Cancer. Who has released the Kraken? Cancer has released the Kraken. All right, look, I got a 3 card draw. I ain't gonna hold you long. Pause. Hey, yo, that's crazy work. But I'm not. Cards are already out here. I did not swindle you. This is very fiery. We about to get into this because Princess of Torches. We're beginning with the Princess of Torches, followed by the Five of Torches, followed by the Chariot, big Cancer energy, major arcana. All right, so let's get to it. See a lot of red here. You might be wearing a lot of red lately. Red might be your favorite color, some of y'all. This is someone who's hot. I'm not gonna like put no fur on my tongue about this situation. This is someone that's hot, very attractive. You get the attention not only that you want, but you don't like. It's just there. You know, you might get the type of what I'm seeing right here is that you get the type of attention that other people don't want, and that other people don't even want you having. Both. You understand what I'm saying? Great luck with that. Got to be strong. But what I'm seeing is, flaws and all. Flaws, that's what I'm going to call this reading. Flaws and all. Because you don't care who you offend when you step out and do what you do. And I'm also seeing that you can be kind of reckless, kind of careless, because you kind of know that you rub people the wrong way. But that's what makes you who you are. Some people are actually comfortable with that. I believe those are your close friends, people that you know they still fuck with you regardless. You know what I mean? Like, that's you. And they be like, you know what I mean? Dude, you could tone it down a bit or whatever, but fuck that. That shit was crazy. Like, that shit was mad funny. You know what I mean? Or, girl, you crazy, but we had a time, didn't we? Like, it's one of those things. You got your people like that, but then you got others that are just like, oh, here come this bitch. You know what I mean? Or this nigga right here. You know what I mean? He swear. Something you're doing right now in particular is glowing you up. Like, your look is like, I don't know what you're doing. Moisturizing. I don't know exactly what it is. I don't have the deets, and I'm not about to pull the messy deck out. I'm not gonna do that right now. You know better than I do. But it's fire all through here. It's smoke even in the Chariot card in the background. You're leaving trails of fire and smoke. Where there's smoke, there's fire. Now, there's competition with this as well. Go figure, right? Five of Torches comes right after the Princess of Torches. So it's like, whatever you're after, and I think it's visible. Like, and not only what you're after, it's what you have and what you're after as well. So it's like you have and you're going after more, and people want to compete with you. It's just flat out. It's just as serious as it sounds. You see the moon in the background here too. This also lets me know big Cancer energy. Like, they want what you got and they want your style. Like, they want to even look like you, or they want to speak like you now, and they want to do things that you're doing. They're on the same mountain. This is wow. I mean, it is what it is. You know what I mean? I'm just telling you what I see, what I feel, and I'm just channeling this as clear as day. There's no, like I said, I'm not putting no fur on my tongue. There's no punches being pulled here. So what's going to happen here is, right, I see this Matrix type of vibe going on here. You know, when Neo in the last one, I think it was, no, not the last one, but the third one, I believe it was, when the eyes got gorged out and he didn't even need them anymore. He was just, you know what I mean, on his shit, like on his one tool, and everything was doom. Like, that's what I'm seeing for you. So in those areas or instances when people deem you careless, or deem you like, you could tone it down a bit, or turn down for what? Is what I just heard, just loud in my shit, right? You don't need that. You can actually close your eyes and depend on your guides. Like, you have guides that are, you can just be pulled in particular ways, and the things in your way or will move. The things that you need to do, the moves that you need to make will be made in that very instant. You have nothing to fear here. Nothing to fear here at all. And it's just like that. It's just like that. So take this information and go after what it is that you're going after, because you're going to get it. You have superpower on your side. You know what else I'm seeing is that you're in like multiple different people's dreams right now. and whatever that means, like, and you're also like playing your role in different dimensions. This is deeper than you think as well. Like, so what I mean is, every move that you're making, even though not so much calculated, is based on pure feelings and emotions. You're like weaving in and out of different dimensions, different timelines. So that's probably why you're appearing in these other people's dreams and stuff like that, because you're shifting timelines around by the moves that you're making. I don't know the totality. Like I said, I'm not pulling the messy deck out. I don't know the deets of it, but it sounds very interesting. I'll tell you that. Have a ball, Kansas, and Cancer Cross Watchers included. Until next time.